Hi, welcome to Coach Calculus channel. In this video, we'll be looking at this topic, quadratic equations using completing the square method. So we have solve the following quadratic equations using completing the square method. So these are the three questions we'll be considering. If you are new to this channel, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for a solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily locate this channel again. And without wasting much of our time, let's dive in. Solution number one. I have the equation x square plus 6x is equal plus 5 rather plus 5 is equal to 0. So our first step here is to move the constant to the right hand side. That is x square, and always make sure that the coefficient of x square is the x square is standing alone, does not have any constant with it. So plus 6x is equal to plus 5 will cross over turn to minus 5. And then the next step here is to take this number that is standing with x here, this number, this particular one that is standing with x, you take it and divide it by 2. Take half the square, that is 6 over 2, and then square. 6 over 2 will give us 3, that is 3 square, which is equal to 9. So 6 over 2 is 3, and then the square, which is equal to 9. Then add it to both sides of the equation. So we have x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to minus 5 plus 9. So we just added 9 to both sides of the equation. And how did you get the 9? The coefficient of x divided by 2 and then square it. That's how we got this 9. So now we're going to make this a perfect square here. This particular one here. What times what will give us x square is x, and what times what will give us 9 is 3. That is plus 3. And put it in brackets. So it's equal to minus 5 plus 9. That will give us 4. That will give us 4. So we have that x plus 3 square is equal to 4. So that is x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. Plus or minus square root of 4. Then x plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 2. Square root of 4 is 2. I will continue from here. Now let me write out this one here. X plus 3 is equal to plus or minus 2. Then my plus 3 will move to the other side. That is x is equal to plus or minus 2. Then plus 3 is crossing over turn to minus 3. So from this place we now have that x is equal to, now let's take it one after the other, plus 2 is plus 2, same thing as 2, plus 2 minus 3, or minus 2 minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3. So x is now equal to plus 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, or minus 2 minus 3, that will give us minus 5. So these are the two solutions to the quadratic equation in number 1. For the number 2, we have the equation 2x squared plus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. Now this one has a number that is standing with x squared. So the first step we're going to do is divide all through by 2. Divide all through by 2. So here 2 will cancel out 2. Here 8 divided by 2, that is 4. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. This one can't cancel out, so we'll leave it that way. Then we'll write out this now. So I have x square, plus 4x plus 3 over 2 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. And then the next step will be the constant will cross to the other side. I have x square plus 4x is equal to minus, because plus 3 over 2 will cross over turn to minus 3 over 2. So the next step here is we're going to take the number that is standing with x here, which is 4. We'll take it, divide it by 2, and then square it. That is 4 over 2, and then square. And 4 over 2 will give us 2, which is 2 square. 2 square is 2 times 2, 4. So this is the value here. So we're going to take this now and add it to both sides of the equation. So we have x square plus 4x, then plus 4 is equal to minus 3 over 2 plus 4. I just added 4 to both sides of this equation here. So the next step is make this a perfect square. Then just what times what will give us x square is simply x, and what times what will give us 4 is 2. So plus 2 square is equal to minus 3 over 2 plus 4 over 1. 4 over 1. And then let's calculate this. LCM of these 2 and 1. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 times minus 3, that will give us minus 3. Then plus 2 divided by 1, that is 2. 2 times 4, that will give us 8. 8. So this minus 3 plus 8, that is equivalent to 5 over 2. That is 5 over 2. Therefore, this equation now, which is open bracket x plus 2 square, is equal to 5 5 over 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Now we're going to free this now to x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Now this 5 over 2, it can also be expressed as root 5 over root 2. Root 5 over root 2. And remember in under surd, rationalization of surds, we're going to multiply both the down and the up by this denominator here, which is root 2. So we're going to do it as root 5 over root 2 times root 2 over root 2. Now from this place, root 5 times root 2, root 5 times root 2, that will give us square root of 5 times 2, 10. And the base side, root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2, that is the square root of 2 times 2, which is 4. Now, root 10 over root 4. Root 10 over root 4. Now, square root of 4 is 2. So we have this, that it is equal to square root of 10 over 2. Square root of 10 over 2. Now let me move further. Remember we have this equation, this particular one is equal to this one we are calculating here, which result to this one now. Now I'm going to, let me look and create a space. So I have that x plus 2 x plus 2 x plus 2 is equal to root 10 over 2. Is plus or minus, remember. So from here, this minus 2 now will cross over. The minus 2 will cross over. So x is equal to minus 2, then plus or minus square root of 10 over 2. So this is the solution to the quadratic equation in number 2. And finally, the number 3, we have the equation x square plus 10x square, not plus, minus x square minus 10x plus 22 is equal to 0. So our first step is to move the constant to the right hand side of the equation. So we have x square minus 10x is equal to minus 20 minus 22. Now the coefficient of x is minus 10, so we take minus 10 divided by 2, minus 10 divided by 2, and then square it. Now minus 10 over 2, that will give us minus 5 square. Then minus 5 square will give us, that is minus 5 times minus 5, that will give us 25. That will give us 25. Then we add 25 to both sides of the equation. So I'll write it out here. X square minus 10x plus 25 is equal to minus 22 plus 25. So I just added 25 to both sides of the equation. So what times what will give us x square is x, and then what times what will give us 25, that is 5. And then here we are having negative here before the middle time, so what we're connecting there is minus 5 then square, now a perfect square. So is equal to minus 22 plus 25. Minus 22 plus 25, that will give us 3. It's almost like saying 25 minus 22. So the answer is 3. And then x, take the square root of both sides. We have that x minus 5 is equal to plus or minus square root of 3. Now minus 5 will cross over, so we have x is equal to turn to plus 5. That is 5 plus or minus root 3. So this is the answer to the number 3 question. So I have come to the end of this video. If you find the video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems, you can always locate this channel. Bye for now.